You're watching Newstainment Television.
Of course, we're very excited to hear from them, but in के साथ-साथ, I'd love to invite the captain of the ship, the director of this docu-series, Namrata Rao के लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Namrata has worked on many super-hit Bollywood films for over a decade as an editor and is now making her directorial debut with Angry Young Men. Please give a round of applause. And of course, put your hands together for the pivotal force and co-founder of Excel Entertainment, Ritesh Sidhwani. A round of applause as Ritesh takes the stage. And writer, director, and co-founder of Tiger Baby, Reema Kanti. Thank you. I hope mics are with everybody, or magically a mic will appear. Salman sir, I'm going to start by asking you my first question. Thank you so much for giving. Sorry, sir?
Keep it for later. बाद में. And I can say जो भी मैं बोलने वाला था सब बोल चुके हैं. मैं क्या बोलूं?
आपकी इजाजत हो तो.
थोड़े जोया है.
जोया के साथ शुरू करें. जोया जी, इजाजत है. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Zoya, I want to start by saying a big thank you to all of you on this stage. As someone who's grown up on the movies, we need more docu-series that tell us about the films. I'm sure you watched all of the movies so far, but is this something that was a discovery for you because, you started making this series?
I think what I discovered making the series was that nobody really knew what happened. And after making the series, we've discovered we still don't know what happened with them. Nobody knew.
In the next season.
That's the next season.
Season 2.
Yeah. So
That one is really controversial.
somewhere you discovered that no matter whatever happened, there was a respect intact. And that was like no one spoke beyond something, and I think that was something heartening.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shall I go to Farhan?
Please do.
Thank you so much. Farhan, I hope a mic is magically near you. Thank you so much. I want to ask you how Salim Javad's work has inspired you as a writer and filmmaker, and then I'll ask you my next question.
I think all of us who grew up in the 80s and were children of the product of films that were made in the 70s, we all carry the legacy of Salim Javed within us. It's not about just being a part of their family. It really is, as audiences, as viewers, the impact and influence of their film on all creative minds was just, it's undeniable. It has influenced my work. When I write scenes, it's not about emulating or copying consciously, but there is a certain darja, for the lack of another word, that was given to the parts that they had written. And every character contributed in some way, had a personality, had a way of speaking, had a moment in the film. And I think that is subconsciously kind of come into the kind of writing that we do.
In fact, a more pointed...
In all of us.
In all of us, absolutely. In fact, a more pointed question would be, is there a standout piece of advice that you perhaps might have received when you were undertaking your journey to be a filmmaker yourself?
The piece of advice that my dad gave me, he said, we come from a long tradition where sons never listen to their fathers. So please don't listen to me. Go ahead and do whatever you want. So I tried my best to follow his advice.
Thank you so much for not listening.
We have no choice because this angry young man, I think my father is the angry one. So we still listen to whatever he says.
Samantha, I have to once again start off by thanking you, all of you, for giving us this series.
Thank you for hosting this, please.
Thank you. And I'd love to ask you, the spark or the idea of creating this docu-series, when did it come about?
I think Zoya started this. And Zoya and Farhan came to me, to all of us, and I thought that was the best thing that could ever happen.
Fantastic.
And I believe that they were the highest paid writers then. They're not leaving that position only. Even now, look at this. और ये तो अच्छा है, they didn't pursue acting. They didn't write. for themselves. नहीं तो look at them. आजकल भी ऐसे दो हीरो नहीं मिलेंगे आपको, है ना?
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
This is Newstainment Television.